What is up, YouTube fans? So your girls back y'all with yet another vlog. And right now, y'all, it is 4th of July officially. Right now, today, it is 4th of July. But as I'm looking at the weather and I'm looking at the skies right now, it does not look too promising, you guys. Because if y'all don't know, we're literally from the south. So what that means is we are officially, right now, y'all, officially we're in hurricane season. So usually we experience the rain from, you know, now until maybe September and stuff like that. But I welcome the rain because, like I told y'all, I don't really like it being too hot. So with the rain, it cools it down a bit. So I'm all here for it. The only bad thing is whenever you have something planned and, you know, it's just unpredictable. But yeah, it's 4th of July. We all got on our outfits. I got on my red, white, and blue. Riri got on her red, white, and blue. Doji got on his red, white, and blue. And Michael is headed inside the gas station store right now, y'all, because he got to get a pack of ice to put in the cooler because, you know, we can't prepare it. We got the wagon and all the other stuff that we got to keep cool, y'all. I'm running on extreme black people time right now because I was supposed to be at my mom's house at 3 o'clock and it's right now 4:45. I know that I told y'all last fall that I'm like really big on punctuality, but this is how I know that I'm out the blue, y'all, because we never really set a time. I just said 3, but we all agreed upon basically moving with no rush. You already know what we're doing. We're doing tacos. Now I am mad because they did not have my pastor. That's my favorite type of taco, y'all. They did not have the pastor. But yeah, I ended up walking out with the steak and a chorizo taco, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Y'all, I even forgot the lines, but I ain't got time for that. We got the salsa verde, so we're just gonna have to make it do what it do, baby, because we already running out of time. And I don't want to be rained on when I'm out there making my tacos, because last thing that I want is some wet tacos. Oh, thank you. Red Bull time. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. I don't know. Every time you get me with the Red Bulls, y'all know I need it. He know I need it. I need all the energy I can get right now. But yeah, y'all, I don't like filming inside my mama's house. I'm gonna tell y'all why. The lighting in her house freaking sucks. The lighting in her house sucks. She don't have the best lighting, y'all. It's dark and it's yellow. It's like, I don't know. It's just dark. I'm trying to do most of my filming as I can, or I'm gonna try and do it at the firework place, y'all, but I'm gonna put y'all back up. Oh, look at the clouds. I don't think that they're gonna be shooting off fireworks this year. It's seriously about to be a thunderstorm. Look at that. Y'all, I'm out here on this damn grill and it is hot. I'm not gonna lie, baby, your girl is hot, but y'all know your girl like to eat, so if you want to eat, you gotta know how to cook, you know what I'm saying?
Or you and me.
So sweet.
You got speakers on this box.
Oh, nice.
On the work box? That's cool. I might do the same thing so it don't take no room for my truck.
My mama called me and was like, girl, you better hurry get over here by this park. They got parking. And lo and behold, y'all, we was able to find parking. So right now, we got to walk to the location. We got our chairs and stuff. Got Tony up pushing the wagon. You good, Tony?
Yeah. Oh, and they got portage down.
That's a massive elementary.
Mm-hmm.
It means the same.
Tony, you can go in that park.
I don't know. My school might be a little bigger.
You can go in that park.
Yeah.
I like the color though.
I think 14.
Thank you.
How much?
14, I'm sorry.
Y'all, look how beautiful this is right here, and we have front row seats. It don't get no better than this. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, you guys. We got the military over there getting ready to play the band, y'all. They got funnel cakes out here, pizza trucks, taco trucks, all that good stuff, y'all. So this is a wonderful way to spend the 4th of July. We're just setting up our camp. My mom set up her chair. I got the chair set up right here. Yeah, there you go. Got the kids set up right here, baby. Woo! Funnel cake, baby.
You got a funnel cake, right?
Yes, honey. Oh, alright, don't pick up the whole thing.
Y'all look at all my different moods. Rich, cool. Oh, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We made it to the house.
Alright, I'll call you in the morning.
All right, boo. Love you. All right, good night.